Welcome to another edition of In the Lab with LOCTITE. So today we're going to talk some more about hybrid adhesives and how to apply them. Now a great way to apply them is with a robotic application. So this robotic machine here can actually apply that adhesive. So I know nothing about this. So I'm going to bring in an applications engineer, Chris. Come on in, how you doing?
Hey Phil, great to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. So we got this fancy dancy machine here. Why don't you explain what's going on?
All right, so this is one of our 400D series robots. We're using an anti-drip valve to dispense LOCTITE 4080 hybrid adhesive onto these 3D printed parts. So this system consists of the robot itself, the teach pendant, and the anti-drip valve. Pistons push onto the adhesive cartridge, goes through the mix nozzle, mixes the adhesive. The anti-drip valve then controls the on-off of the adhesive dispense.
Awesome.
So what we're doing here, we've got these 3D printed parts. We get a lot of questions from customers. Hey, I've gone through the process, I've done it by hand. We're looking for something faster, more accurate, so we can start to automate.
Okay.
So what we're going to be...
These are actually 3D printed parts.
These are 3D printed parts.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like that. All right, show what we're going to do here.
So this is a bonding and sealing application. So we're going to be dispensing right around this around this square with rounded edges. So we've got in our program lines, some curves, some more lines, curves, and all that. Then we're going to take this and do a bond and seal. So the adhesive itself is bonding, and it's going to be a fully enclosed liquid, basically a gasket around there. Put that on there, and then our part's complete.
Awesome. All right, great. Let's give it a roll here.
All right.
With a push of a button, just like that. So is there any type of purging that has to happen prior to starting the machine, or?
Yeah, so the purging is dependent on what the mix nozzle life is. So for this product, it's about 10 minutes. With that, we also have needle life. So if it needs to be changed out, it's a quick change out. Just take this, pull it up, take this, change out the needle, and you're good to go.
Awesome.
So with these parts, let's grab this one. As you can see, we've got a nice consistent bead all the way around, nice and tight to the corners. That matches up well with our other half of our printed part. We'll take that, put it on there, set it aside.
Wow, that is just amazing. Great application, Chris. Thank you very much for coming in. So that's another edition of In the Lab with LOCTITE. For everyone watching, if you have any questions on this topic or any other topics that you would like to see explained on future segments, just call the Henkel Technical Information Line at 1-800-LOCTITE.